guys, it's Emily, the little reptile queen. I'm here with my mom and our little puppy. We're visiting the Kangaroo Creek Farm today, and I wanted to take you along with us, so let's go. Yeah. Why not? So we entered our first field. This is a field with the Wallaroos. The Wallaroos aren't as nice as the kangaroos or the wallabies.
How long have these birds been here?
So Romeo, the skipper was the second bird I ever bought, pretty much.
Yeah.
Skipper's been here for about 11 years now, I think. Romeo's been here for about 5 or 6.
Somebody donated Romeo?
All the birds here are given to us. So Skipper's owner actually passed away, and he built him to us. So he came down, he met Greg, that old man raised Skipper from, he worked for, I think it was
Oh my goodness. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. He's a pretty bird. Peekaboo. 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 So cute. Say it. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. A wacky bird?
Night.
Yeah. Say night night. Night night. So cute. Good bird. Oh. So good. Thanks, Mom. I miss the pretty birds. Hi, pretty
Oh
bird.
God, I would be so nervous with my knife.
Hi, bro. I love you.
Yes, wacky.
Hi.
I was a little nervous bringing Wacky today, but I'm really happy His talons are so sharp right now.
Daddy's not for you!
Hi, Soju.
Daddy's not for you!
Hi, the sushi bird.
Oh, under there.
Yeah, and the crest.
And the crust is so
Beautiful. Yeah. Come here. Come here. I know. Yes, Wacky. That one. Don't bite me. Come here. So cute. The Wacky. The wacky bird? Yes, a pretty bird. Yes, a pretty bird. Yes. Wacky. Wacky.
Oh my God, he's like
Wacky. Wacky. Wacky.
so cute.
The pretty bird. Peekaboo, step up, baby bird. Go bird.
half the day, and then we let Calvin do the other half.
Oh.
I love Calvin the best. He's the cutest. He's got like hair like a chinchilla. He
I
doesn't really have
love-
a spot.
He's fixed,
So
so
it grows
yeah, it grows back.
Wow.
It's just the
I didn't know
sweat
that.
gland. Yeah. So when you fix your males, they don't get the. He had the ugly bald spot, and it took about a year for it to kind of fully. I hated his bald spot. So we don't.
They are a little dangerous. Oh, thank you.
We typically.
Kisses?
She does. Yeah.
Yeah. Approximately 32 in the adult. We've got 8 of the gangsters, as Ray calls them. I call them punk rockers. And then we've got 4. They said they've got
Yeah, those are
another name to
beautiful.
them. Yeah. They're actually sisters. They're 2 years old. There's something
man,
about the
they're
white. The
beautiful,
white's
yeah.
what comes into it.
Or
Yeah.
cystic something.
Yeah. The
I don't
sisters,
think
this,
they're
they got brought here. You got Daisy and Tiki.
Wow.
Daisy's the one that's a little bigger with the white feet. You need your nails cut, my dear. You're clipping on
they're
everything.
so cute.
They're good girls.
They're beautiful coloration.
Isn't
I like
it?
that more than the
Compared to
normal
some-
morph.
Woo! Where are you going? Where are you going, Tiki? Her name was actually originally Tequila, and we're asked to keep their names. But how do you say that with a bunch of kids all the time?
Pretty cute though. Like little emus. Hi. Can I pet you? Can I pet your feathers? There's some under these things here too. Field. Oh my goodness, she's so big now.
Hey. There you go. No?
She's freaking huge now.
Look, she's got ears. Yeah, they're like human
Yeah,
ears.
they're
really
gross.
weird. She is the most annoying animal I've ever met. Isn't it weird? It kind of feels like the capybara.
Yeah, and the pigs, they have all the same
The
kind of
bristle.
fur.
Yeah. Slow?
They don't shoot out.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't shoot. If she's gonna stick you, she's gonna run her butt into you and do it that
Hi,
way.
Do you think
Priscilla.
it hurts?
Hello.
Yeah, probably.
Like her?
Oh, no, it doesn't hurt her. What I've seen is that it's pretty quick and painless. They just pop right out.
Do they bite?
I think she can. I think she's scrounging for
I just
some
don't want
food,
her to
but-
nibble on my legs.
Do you want to try feeding her almonds? Yes. In your flat hand.
Come here, Mama.
Priscilla, come here. I know. She might not. She's had quite a few today.
Come here. Yes, good girl. No, not hungry anymore.
Oh,
What a
Emily, I've never seen anything like it.
She was so small last year when I was here. When I worked here.
She looks like she's wearing the most beautiful dress. You said she's African?
Yeah, she's an African crested porcupine. It's cool because the North American porcupines, they're actually furry and the quills are hidden and they're short. They're only a couple inches long and they're hidden under the actual fur. So they're like furry.
Priscilla,
Whereas these ones
hi.
actually have long quills. Craziness.
Yeah.
Hey,
She's
Mama.
super friendly. It's just like if somebody just runs up to her and doesn't know, yeah, then there runs a chance.
This here's Priscilla's home, the porcupine. So this is where she stays during the nighttime. We can go back. We will come back. I need to say bye to Wacky again. Bye. We have to approach her really slow or else she'll get up and run away. Hi. I don't know which one this is. Capricious, I think, is her name. Hi, Capricious. Hi, Capricious. Hello. Hello, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Hello. Hello. Hi, you are dirty. You look really dry. You should go in a swim. Oh, there's two baby reds in there. Oh, yeah. Mhm. Yeah, so there's goats over there. Yeah, and they got the ponies. I the turkey. Gobble gobble. Hi. Oh my goodness, they're our friends now. Popcorn. Okay, so we entered the outback field. We're approaching some red kangaroos, which is the biggest kangaroo they have here at the farm. And then also there's a cute little albino wallaby here. So cute. Oh my god. It's so funny. It looks like a giant. So there's a bunch of red kangaroos behind me. That one's huge. Holy man. When I used to work here, they were not this big. That's craziness. So funny. The Dima ones, these reds are, oh my goodness, they're so soft. Hi. Look at that juvenile behind me, Mom. Look how cute he is. Aww. I know. So cute.
Want the pets? Do you want the pets? You want the pets in the face where I wasn't supposed to touch you? The rules, you're so cute. You want this one? You want? There you go, baby. Yum, 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 yum. You want another popcorn? Okay, here you go, baby. Yum, 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 yum.
I doubt it. Oh, he jumps. Jesus. They jump. They're scary chickens. That's a duck.
Hi. Hello.
Very soft. Very soft. Oh, roly poly. So cute. Excuse you. Doing a dig. Oh. I'm glad that I'm dead. So this is a capybara. They're the world's largest rodent. They're semi-aquatic, and in the wild they live in like big packs of like 20, and they swim in the Amazon rainforest. They're cool. They got semi-webbed feet.
Yeah, the Bennett wallaby, the Bennett ones. Don't touch me.
Yeah, that rat-looking one is a Dima wallaby, and that albino one is an albino Bennett. Oh, they just want the snacks. Aww. Oh. Aww. Aww. It's so mousy. I want a pet. Looks like he has schmutz in his nose. Careful, if you pet their chest, they might start to try to box you.
Are you taking off it?
Aww.
He said I wasn't allowed to feed them, but I don't listen. Photo?
Kangaroo. The chickens? They probably tell us we can't hand feed them because they bite.
Can you tell us what kind of kangaroos these are?
These are Bennett wallabies.
What is
These ones
that?
are really nice. They're hungry. What the heck? Why are you telling me you can't have popcorn?
Oh, they're purple claws.
Beautiful. Oh, kisses. So cute.
The Bennets.
Come here if you want the popcorns.
Ah!
Wow, look at that one. The beige. Here's our Maras.
Mara, like
Yeah.
Like a capybara.
Yeah. They're Mara. Wow. They've calmed down quite a bit. Yeah. These are Maras. Are they soft? No? Nice. Nice. Oh. Hi, little goats. Hi. Hello. Hi, Mama. I think I see baby ears. I think those ones are baby ears. Are those your baby's ears? Yeah, they are. She's right there. Come on, baby, come out. Look how sweet she is. Hi, Mama. Okay, bye, you guys. This is all for today's vlog. Bye from all of us and the birds. Bye.